Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the app shell and getting assets in place. This is where you save time later. Install your framework and add a simple canvas view so you can test drawing immediately. Once done, import one photos and set up image loaders with correct scaling. Make sure to enable high-res assets for sketch fidelity. You also initialize Git and a basic UI layout. This lets you iterate quickly when you refine tools and filters next. You build the sketch engine by combining edge detection and adaptive thresholding so lines feel natural. Explain why. Edges define structure while thresholding controls contrast. Then implement drawing tools with pressure sensitivity and stroke smoothing for organic strokes, and wire input events to incremental rendering so edits remain responsive. Once done, offload heavy image ops to shaders or background threads and cache previews. This you finalize by adding export presets and a reliable save system so users keep progress. Explain why export DPI and layer formats matter for prints. Implement undo/redo and layer blend modes to complete the workflow, then test across devices for scaling and performance. Once done, run edge case checks and automated tests. If things go wrong, look for memory leaks or floating point artifacts. A quick fix is to downgrade texture resolution and enable incremental export, which often resolves crashes and corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.